Join us as we dive into the ups, downs, and everything in between. Why do we fall in love? What makes relationship last? Let's explore the complexities of romantic relationship together. Let's go! As a teenager, being in a romantic relationship is a common thing nowadays. Numerous grade 12 Euclid senior high school students who are in a relationship may struggle upon managing their time to study and to maintain their relationship. Their report aims to identify the causes or the reason behind the lack of time management. Their report aims to identify the causes or the reason behind the lack of time management and to provide solution to access the said problem. So methodology, data was collected through in an open-ended and question interview with a selected 10 students of grade 12 who are in a romantic relationship.
Questioners, is there a significant relationship between the amount of time spent studying and academic performance among senior high school? 2. Does the relationship time affect academic performance? 3. How can you manage your time? 4. How can a relationship affect the academic performance of the student? 5. Are the impact of positive balance with negative? Result 1. Yes, more study time leads to better grades in senior high. 2. Effective time management improves academic performance by helping students stay organized and productive. 3. Managing time involves setting priorities, using fairness and balancing study with relationship for optimal results. 4. Supportive relationships enhance academic performance by providing motivation, encouragement, and emotional stability. 5. The impact of relationships is largely positive, offering both support and motivation to help students excel academically. Therefore, students can balance their relationship time between study and academic performance and personal. Discussion. The data indicates that the impacts of both study time and romantic relationships on academic performance are balanced with both positive and negative possibilities. Students who can manage their time effectively and maintains a healthy relationship may experience positive effects on their academic performance due to poor time management skills and stressful or damaging.
Therefore, the good relationship and sufficient study time often lead to the better grades. So students with a strong support system tend to perform well academically. However, too much studying without breaks can be harmful.
Recommendation. Throughout the process of study, I can express my part to recommend to the responsibility to should always associate with their decision making and to be responsible enough. It doesn't mean being involved in a romantic relationship is must or mandatory, but always look forward for the goals in life, which starts in focusing in studies. As young adolescents, they're already aware about the existence of breakdowns involving to romantic relationship and how it affects their lives, and the most important is know your limitations and always think not twice but